Dear students, in the previous period we have learnt about drip irrigation in that and spray irrigation, and also we have learnt that organic farming and chemical farming, these are the two methods of cultivation of land. Okay, so remaining lesson let's see now. In agriculture many methods are being followed to grow crops. Okay, for example, some of the methods of cultivation are given in your textbook. Open your textbook 108 page number and will understand that. Now see that methods of cultivation. See one of that intensive farming, mixed farming, and third one is plantation farming. These are also methods of cultivation of agriculture. Okay, or our agricultural land. See how that organic farming is there, no, and chemical farming, like that. This also one method. These are also some methods are there of cultivation of farm. See, we will see that one by one. First one is intensive farming. In intensive farming, that growing crops, okay, growing 2 to 3, okay, 2 to 3 crops on the same land in a year. Here crops are growing in 1 year. 2 to 3 crops are growing in 1 year. For example, jawar, paddy, ragi, sunflower, cotton, horse gram, bengal gram, and red gram. Okay, so these are the some examples of crops they are taking in a year. Okay, in 1 year. Okay, so see jawar, paddy, ragi, sunflower, cotton, horse gram, that kadle we are telling, no, that is bengal gram, that also comes this type of color change. Okay, and red gram. These are the some examples for intensive farming. These are the intensive farming crops. Next, second one is method of cultivation of land or agriculture. See, mixed farming. In addition to cultivation of crops, cattle rearing, poultry, sericulture, and apiculture are also done here. See, they are with doing farm. Okay. In addition, ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಇವು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ರೀರಿಂಗ್, ದನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕೋದು. ಪೋಲ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೇರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಸೇರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೇರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ rearing of silkworms. rearing of silkworms, ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಕೋದು. ಓಕೆ, and in apiculture they are rearing that honey bees and other fish, etc. Okay, so this comes in apiculture. They are doing their in farm works in farm also, and they are farming also. With that they are doing this cattle rearing, poultry, sericulture, etc. So this is called as a mixed farming. Next method is plantation farming. See here, fruits, vegetables, coffee, tea or flowers are grown instead of food crops on the agricultural lands. See here, see jawar, ragi, maize. Okay, these are called as food crops. Okay, except these food crops, instead of these food crops they are growing fruits, vegetables, coffee, tea or flowers. Okay, this type of farming is called as the plantation of farming or plantation farming. See, once again see, fruits, vegetables, coffee, tea or flowers are growing instead of food crops. For example, food crops means jawar, wheat, ragi, okay, pearl, millet. These are called as the food crops. Except this, instead of these food crops, they are growing fruits, vegetables, coffee, tea, flowers, etc. Okay, this type of farming is called as the plantation farming. For example, papaya is growing, vegetables, ladies finger, brinjal, okay, coriander, etc. And also flowers are growing in this method, means in plantation farming. So, thus farmers adopt different agricultural methods and earn their income, means earn their money. So they are growing different, they are using different types of agricultural methods. They are adopting intensive farming or mixed farming or plantation farming. This adopting and farmer is earning his income or money. Okay. Next, see students, open 109 page number. Observe the pictures given in your textbook. Observe that there are 6 pictures are there in your textbook. Otherwise, see on your mobile screen. Write the corresponding agricultural methods in the space given. That observe a picture and tell me which method is that. That picture means that picture is there, no? Where comes that? In which method comes that we want to write there. Okay. See, first one picture is that animal cow is there, so that is called as the animal rearing or cattle rearing it is. Then which method is this? So this is the mixed farming. This is mixed farming. Next, see, coconut trees are there. Then we get coconut from coconut trees. Then which method is this? This is the plantation farming. Right there. Okay. Next, see, write in your textbook. Next, see, third one picture. That crop is there. Which crop that is? Jawar. Okay. Jawar crop is there. Then which method is this? This is the intensive farming. This is the intensive farming. Next, see that beans are there, peas are there, peas. So, means these are vegetables that are not looking properly, picture is. So, this is the plantation farming. These vegetables are there. So, the vegetable comes in plantation farming. Okay. Next picture, see, that fruits are grown there. That is there is a mango trees. Okay, there are mango trees are there. So this comes in plantation farming method. Next, rose are there, flowers. Flower comes in plantation farming. Okay. Next, see students, storing and preserving the grains after the harvest of the crop is also very important. Okay, storing and preserving the grains. ರಾಶಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಜೋಳ, ಗೋಧಿ, ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವ ರಾಶಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಸ್ಟೋರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. See there are 4 pictures are there. Observe that. See, some of the methods of storing and preserving the grains have been shown. That pictures, what about the pictures that pictures are there, that storing methods are as a storing and preserving the grains. Okay, the methods of storing and preserving the grains. Okay, so see that In the first two pictures, see there, first two pictures, we can see the storage system used in olden days. In first picture, see, first and second picture, in olden days the people are storing, okay, they are called as the underground granary. ಹಗೆಯು ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನೋ, ನೆಲದಾಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡು ಹಗೆಯು, okay, that is hage we are telling that, okay, in our regional language, okay. So they are in olden days, they are storing in underground granary, that is called in our regional language hage, okay. So and bamboo granary it is, see there, in there only upside two pictures, that is first one the underground granary or hage, that is, and bamboo granary is there, see there. These are the storing methods, okay, in olden days, means storing and preserving the grains, okay, that is. And in next there only, see, these are the traditional methods of storing grains, traditional olden days. Our grandparents, great grandparents, they are storing in that underground granary and bamboo granary, okay. So next, see, food grains or food products are being grown on a large scale nowadays, okay. Food grains or products are being grown large scale. So granaries means whatever these grains are, they know that granaries have been constructed to store and preserve food grains or products, okay, that farmers can preserve their food grain in government granaries in little expense. There is a government granaries are there, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗೋಡೌನ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ದು, that is, okay. So nowadays that food storing and preserving in the that godowns, okay, in godowns, okay, that different types of means modern methods are there to storing and preserving the grains, okay. So nowadays we are storing in that godowns, and when we will get the sufficient rate, then we are selling that. For example, that storage of manuka, drakshis, that grapes, okay. So that manuka, you know that is they are also storing in storage, and when we will get the sufficient price, then that selling. So students, agriculture and farmers are like a two wheels of a cart, okay. Agriculture means whatever we are doing in farm, that is land. Agriculture, land is agriculture, and working, who are working, farmers. So these are two, agriculture and farmers are like a two wheels of a cart. There is very important to cart, that cart need both wheels, okay. So like that, how that for that cart both wheels are very important, no, like that agriculture and farmers are important, okay. Agriculture is the main occupation of our country, okay. There is a cart means country, and agriculture and farmers are the two wheels of that cart, okay. So agriculture is the main occupation of our country. People who lead life following the profession of agriculture are the real food providers, annadatas, okay. So agriculture's farmers, okay, they are called as the food providers, real food providers or annadatas, okay. If the cultivator harvests, okay, if the cultivator harvests, the whole world rejoices. If the cultivator fails to harvest, the whole world sobs, okay. These lines highlights the importance of the farmers, okay. Let us salute the farmers, the food providers. Farmer is called as a food provider. So if the cultivator harvests, that lines are there, no, that means ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮರ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೂ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೋ, ಅವ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಳತ್ತು ಕುಂದ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಏನೂ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ nobody can lead their life. So salute the farmers, the food providers. So students, today the agricultural lesson is completed here. So take homework. Write a note on intensive, mixed and plantation farming, and I will send you question answers of this lesson tomorrow. Okay, bye students, take care.